So what do we stain our woods with? We get that question all the time. And I guess it makes sense that we would get that because the colors are so vibrant on our wood. But the answer is absolutely nothing. Take a look at this here. Here's the 4 woods we use. And you can see that the face is the color, the edge is the same color. Ah! Ow.
You good?
So we don't use any stain whatsoever that would make these not food safe at all. And the beauty of this is that this color goes all the way through that piece of wood. So if you use the, I don't have one, but if you use the piece of Scotch-Brite that we gave you in the little wood care package, when you bought your utensils to rub any fuzz off of here, you're just gonna bring more color out. And when you wash these on a day-to-day basis, use the scratchy side of your sponge, and that'll constantly take the tiniest little layer of wood off of here and get down to fresh color. So these can be looking just as good in 10 years as they do the day you buy them.